Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a haul, or a haul-lit. I have 3 boxes, but I think they each just have a couple of things in them, but I'm not sure what they are, so let's get in them and check them out. I have a Boxycharm, which is probably an add-on or a pop-up, a Sephora box, which is something I think I ordered, and a Causebox. So let's see what's in here. We're going to start right on top because it is the smallest with the Causebox. It's probably from an add-on or a pop-up. I'm not sure what it is. It's a very small box, and I don't usually order small things, so it might be something that didn't come in a different order. I have no idea. So how are you guys doing today? It's pretty and springy here, and it's looking gorgeous. Well, oh look, I've never seen this before. How much, I like that so much more than plastic. How are they getting air to stay in paper? Oh, how about that? That's interesting. This is, guys, I know some of you are so happy if you're out there getting yours too. This is the Artisan Direct brass holder that went with the marble coasters that we chose. It's our winter box, right? That wasn't our spring. Oh yeah, because I don't have my spring box yet. Yes, what do I have? I don't even have my Causebox spring box. I put glasses on to try and find the opening of this. So this is a brass coaster holder for holding those coasters. Oh, it's very pretty. Oh my gosh, I would say so worth the wait. The quality of this looks amazing. This is going to be gorgeous with those coasters. I am so excited to finally have this, yay. Next, we're gonna open this huge Boxycharm box. Again, I have no idea what it is. I do have orders outstanding, but this box, for as big as it is, it feels like it couldn't have more than, you know, an eyeliner in it. It has no weight. A lot of paper. Oh. Oh my God, in that big box, which it did technically require a big box. I ordered this in a pop-up quite some time ago, and quite honestly, I thought it was just missing from the order, but it was so inexpensive that I just literally did not feel like jumping through the hoops to get this fixed. But apparently it didn't need fixed. They knew. I ordered, because I have my hashtag, I ordered an @ sign. I will admit, it's a little bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And I thought I would put it back here somewhere, and it would go with, you know, the hashtag. I mean, obviously not there, but. I don't know what I'm thinking. You can't even see it. Oh my goodness. So that's what was in that huge box. So far 2 boxes, and we have a coaster holder and an @ sign. I know what's in the Sephora box, and I couldn't decide whether to show it or not because you can't get it. I know. I will tell you, it's always a hard time to decide because with shipping these days, since nothing is coming super fast, a lot of times by the time we can order things and get them to us, they sell out. The hello bags and the pop bags, hopefully that'll tell us what it is. They sell out, and I can never decide whether to show them or not. I'm gonna go ahead and show this because I want you guys to know, to be aware to look for things like this on Sephora. And the paperwork on this says it is the Sephora Favorites Pop Big Beauty Vibes bag. This was a heck of a day to decide to tape. I am tongue twisting myself into cognitive, nope, still can't do it. In an earlier video, I was trying to say cognitive function, and it went a lot like that. So this Big Beauty Vibes bag set, did I say bag? I said bag set. Shall I edit that out or just keep going? Let's just keep going. Is sold out, and it's one of the pop bags, but they do these a lot, and they're usually $15, $20, sometimes $25. And it's a great way to try products. And the beauty is, as opposed to the old Sephora Play that we used to get, which they really technically replaced with the hello bags, but this is the same type thing. You can go in and you can see what you're going to get. Everybody gets the same thing. There's no question as to what you're going to get. You'll know before you order it whether it is items that you want to try, whether it's items you've already tried. That's the beauty part. With this, with my 2 samples, which used to be 3 and I'm always bitter about, I chose the Skin Fix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Boost 360i. and it's just this little fella. And then this little fella is the Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask from Kiehl's. I like some of the Kiehl's products. I have used the Avocado under eye mask, and it's not a mask, under eye cream from Kiehl's. I used it years ago, but I really liked it, so I thought that one, I know for sure I ordered that one. Oh good, it even says it on the box so I don't have to remember. Big beauty vibes. So this is the box, open to turn this mood way up. I feel like I need going on in the background. So when we open it up, it looks like we're getting a subscription box. You are next level. And then that is what is in here. In theory, I chose this knowing what was in here. I could pretend to remember. I won't do either of us the disservice of pretending. Aw, look, cute little stickers. I will put that in with the things that I send along to my granddaughters. Reaching in for the big thing right up front, we have a Better Not Younger Hair Redemption Restorative Butter Mask. The only thing, taking this out of that box, that just immediately struck me as odd is it's got a plastic overwrap. Have you ever purchased anything at Sephora that came with a plastic overwrap? You know, kind of just that you peel down the side? I don't think I have. So I will admit that makes me wonder immediately if you could go onto the site, and I'll be letting you know here, if you could go onto the site and buy this. And if not, why is it in the box? You probably can. I'm probably over nothing. This says Better Not Younger, a team changing the way we talk about age and making high quality hair care while they're at it. Hair Redemption Butter Mask, trending now. All right. It smells very nice, kind of strong. What is that? I can't place the smell. It's kind of hairy. It's not hairy. It smells like a hair product. That's what it looks like. It's super thick. Wouldn't it be funny if it just, that's the kind of day we're having. Apply to hair after rinsing off shampoo in place of regular conditioner 1 to 2 times a week. I don't see anything in here that really explains the scent. It does have sage in it. That's not what I smell though. Avocado butter, meadowfoam seed. So I think oh, caffeine. Oh, my hair could use a little lift. I wonder if caffeine gives your... Okay, next in the box we have a JLo Beauty That Blockbuster Wonder Cream Plump Hydrate Nourish. And that is what it looks like, but it's a pretty decent sized tube. I noticed that when I placed the order. I thought, yeah, I'll try some JLo Beauty. I'm not against it. So it's their Wonder Cream Miracle. It's very shiny. The paperwork says JLo Beauty Powerhouse products from the Ultimate Glowy Boss Babe. Non-stop Wonder Cream. It has a little tippity top. There are a lot of words in this. We'll look at them in a second. It is super full. It's interesting to me that it comes out in such a small, makes me wonder if it's for all over your face. We'll read that in a minute. Doesn't have much scent at all, just a light lotiony scent. It's a little thick. On first blush, I would not recommend this to oily skin. I could be totally wrong. Let me know below if you've used this. Did you have oily skin or dry skin, and what did you think? But it's thick on the back of my hand. Let's see what the paperwork says. My glam team always asks, what did you do to your skin? That's the power of my Wonder Cream. It gives you the most amazing dewy glow. Yeah, I bet. I mean, it did make the back of my hand kind of dewy. When late nights and daily grinds leave skin looking overplayed, rewind with our next gen, and they spelled gen, J-E-N, hyaluronic acid fueled formula, packing major water binding and continuous hydration power. A powerhouse mix of curated ingredients including peptides, niacinamide, and collagen protecting carnosine support elasticity and visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. While natural ferments and our hero antioxidant-rich JLo Beauty Olive Complex brighten, smooth, and plump your look back to rockstar glow status. Next we have a Grande Lash MD Clear Serum. What is this? Oh, Lash Enhancing Serum. That would explain why I got it. If you guys have been watching the channel, you know I'm collecting all of these I can. Soon I'm not even gonna need mascara. Can't wait. 94% saw healthier looking lashes, 91% saw longer looking lashes, based on a 12-week consumer study with 30 subjects. That is a very long time and not many people. Oh, when we take it out, that's what it looks like. Super cool and little. And it is sealed, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it sealed because I do have a couple of these that I'm using. Once you've tried this cosmetics cult favorite, your love for it will only glow or grow. Your love for it will only grow. It's one of those days where I like to say, words are hard. Next we have a Replica Perfume Beach Walk. I have actually purchased this in the past. I didn't purchase the big spritz, but they did rollerball, or I shouldn't say did, I'm sure they still do, rollerballs, and I purchased one of the rollerballs to get me through summer, a couple, 3 years ago, and I really liked it. I love minis. How cute is he? He looks like just like one of the big mommy ones, but he's little. That is so cute. And like I said, I know I like the scent. Oh yeah, so good. I have just done a Margot Elena box, so I am already redolent with scent, so there's no point in putting it on, but yeah, I love this scent. It's just a little stopper top. Replica is the Maison Margiela. I think I'm close. They are scent memory groundbreakers, mixing fragrances that make you remember when. And then we have a Tower 28. I have been wanting to try this brand. Some people got this, I think just recently in a Boxycharm. I didn't get it, but I have been wanting to try it. It's Masters of the Clean, Crafters of Juicy Color. There's no stopping this brand's shine. And this is the Shine On Lip Jelly in Chill. Is that true? This is a lip? I mean, look, it's a little clear. Oh, it is. Look, it's a little clear. I mean, it's almost impossible to show. Here, hold on against my black. Perfect. So it's almost impossible to show you guys. It's a little lippy. It's so cute. Tower 28. Last but not least, we have a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is one thing in the box that I think I looked up that I was afraid I wouldn't be able to use. So I'm not going to sample it in case I can't use it. I can pass it along. This is the fruity skincare creator every K-beauty connoisseur has to devour. That is the Niacinamide Dewdrops. So that's what was in this box. And this box has sold out, but they come out with these new boxes a lot. I will use everything, right? Yes, except for the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Drops, which I am not certain about. I will have to look up and see what else is in them. But we got that. We got the adorable Tower 28 little lip jelly. That is so cute. The Replica perfume, which this is just for the record a really good size. This is a pricey perfume. We have the Grande, gonna help me get long lashes. The JLo Miracle Cream, which I am really ready to try. And this, what brand was this? Better Not Younger hair mask. And that's what was in this pop box. So let me know below what you think. You can go ahead and let me know below what you think about this whole video, but I will admit going in, no need to be harsh. I know it's a weird one. I had no idea what was in those boxes. I had to unbox them because it could have been something really good. So in this video, we got the nice @ sign, the coaster holder, this sold out Sephora Pop Big Beauty Vibes. I think it said bag, but I'm gonna go ahead and say box. I hope you're having a great day out there, and I thank you so much for coming by and checking this one out. And sorry, I know it was a little odd, and I can't wait to see you again. And I'm actually going to say, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out. I promise they will be better than this one. I will see you again really soon, I hope. Have a great day, guys.